So hi teacher. So in this video, I would like to talk about my learning experience during this 1 to 5 uh, of the principle of information and communicate technology course. So over 5 years, I learned not only about the technology and the information system, but also about the project management, ethics, sustainability, networking, information security, database, and database help me understand how the technology is connect to the business, our everyday life. So for the first week is this one, a management information system introduction. So in this one, we learn about like different between information system or IS and information technology or IT. Um, in this week, we have learned and understand that IT mainly refer to the technology such as hardware, software, networking, and other technology too as well. So why an information system is important and include people, process, data, and technology working together. We also learn about the computer hardware and software in their function. Another important concept was system analysis, which help organizations understand problem requirement before developing and evolving a system. Mm, For the first week, the reference is the technology is not just about a computer. A success information system require people, process, and technology working together. And for the week two, the project management and PMPOK. So in week two, we learn about the project management, especially in the context of information technology project. I learned that project management includes planning, organizing, management, research, and control activity to achieve specific project objective. So I will introduce to the PO, PMOA, PMBOK framework as well. So project management, project group, knowledge area, and I also learned about the conflict and risk management. The concept make me realize that the IT project can face many unexpected problems, so effect planning and communicating is very important. And we also cover the data management and programming fundament as well. So in this way that technology and knowledge alone not only enough to complete the success IT project. A good management, teamwork, communicate, and risk management are equality important as well. And in week three, we learn about the ethics, ethical mindset, CSR, and the triple bottom line as well. So in week three, were particularly interesting because it make me think about the ethics responsibility of even individual and organization. So in this week, we learn about ethics principle, value, ethics theory, ethics mindset, and we also learn about the corporate social responsibility as well, and difference between corporate, government, individual responsibility. So one important concept was triple bottom line. So we consider people, planet, and profits. So I realize that business should not focus on not only making money, they should also consider that impact to employee, security, and the environment as well. And we also learn about the something be legal but not necessary ethics. It helped me understand that ethics decision making requirement considering of how the action affect other people. So in which fall uh, is sustainable design and green IT. So in this fall we learn about sustainability and why it's important for whole business and user. We study the 70 units information sustainable goal with sustainable design, human computer interactor, usability, and green IT. We learn that technology can have the environment impact through energy consumption, energy waste, and the research required to productify. Therefore, organizations should consider sustainability when design and using technology. The main reference from this week that good technology should not only be useful and efficient, but it also be designed responsibly and sustainability. And in which five, the computer network and information security. So in this slide, we learn about the computer network, their component, different type of network, and communication media, the channel. We also learn the network and internet support communication and collaboration in business. Another important topic was information security. That we learn is different security control and organization strategy used to protect information research. And in this treatment, we rely how dependent model organization and on network and information. At the same time, this dependent create security risk, therefore protecting information not only the responsibility of IT department, is also responsibility shared by everyone in organization. And in order to which one to find that have changed the way I think about information system technology. At the beginning, I mainly search for MISD with computer and technology college. Now I understand that MIS include technology, people, process management, ethics, sustainability, and security. And the big lesson I have learned that technology should be used effectively, ethically, sustainable, and security. And I believe that concept will be useful not only in my study but also in my future career. So that's all from this week. Thank you.